Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure Instagram is current and permitted. Outdated apps cause missing features. Once done, verify account eligibility. Some features roll out by region or account type, so make sure your account meets basic requirements. Next, grant essential permissions like storage and contacts, because Instagram uses them to surface notes in messages. If you're on a business or creator account, briefly switch to personal to test visibility. This often reveals whether settings are blocked. Once prerequisites are set, refresh the app state by clearing cache or reinstalling. This forces Instagram to pull updated feature flags. Then log out and back in, and critically test with an alternate account. If notes appear there, the issue is account-specific. Also try a different phone or network, because feature rollouts sometimes depend on IP or device. If notes show up on another device, you know the problem is local. Keep those differences in mind when proceeding. To finalize, submit a detailed report inside Instagram. Settings help report a problem, include screenshots and steps to reproduce. After filing, give it 24 to 48 hours. Platform rollouts often take time to sync. Meanwhile, test the web version or ask a friend to post a note to confirm whether the feature is globally unavailable or just hidden for you. If nothing changes after 48 hours, persist with support and include account ID. That speeds resolution when it's a back-end issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.